thank you so much for being here and watching. So today I wasn't planning on filming this box. I had other videos in mind, but it just came in the mail and my cats are refusing to let this stay unopened. So you may be able to tell this is a cat subscription. This is called Crazy Cat Crates. And Archer's right next to me. I tried to move my tripod down as low as possible so you guys can maybe get a glimpse of them when I open this, because they've been going berserk. So let me tell you quick about this box, then we'll get unboxing and the cats can, you know, finally get what they want. So Crazy Cat Crates, it costs $29.99 a month. The price goes down if you order multiple months at a time. I was just browsing their website just to get pricing information and all of that, and I saw that if you sign up for a 6 or 12 month subscription plan, then you will get your first box for free and you just pay $5 shipping. Normally there is free shipping. So in this box you're supposed to get premium handmade cat toys, some organic catnip, also some healthy cat treats that are made in the USA, and other goodies as well. So I'm going to leave the link down below. So the owner of the subscription has just been so sweet and awesome. I was just looking through her emails and she was telling me about how they give back to local cats in their community. So they donate their time and financial proceeds to a kitten nursery that's called Little Paws Project. So I'm gonna link that project down below. It looks super sweet. And I also forgot to mention that in each box we're supposed to get some cat care tips. So I, of course, am a cat lady and I love a fellow cat lady, but I just absolutely adore that they give back. I always am all about rescuing my pets, and I do donate to animal foundations, so I love that they do as well. I also love that they choose to feature small businesses in their box, so I think that's all the information we need. We have the price, what comes in the box, how they support charity and local businesses. So far so good. Now let's get this box open. So when I open up the box, this is what it looks like. Oh my god, this is beautiful. It says relax and unwind. I believe that is a theme for this month. Isn't that so pretty? I need to hang that somewhere. I love the colors of this, and also how cute. Little mama and her kitten. Oh, I love it. So on the back of this, it talks about those cat care tips we're talking about. So it says, is your cat bored? Playtime, puzzle toys, and an enriching environment keep your cat healthy, happy, and maybe out of trouble. And it talks about playtime, mental stimulation, and enriching your cat's environment. So I will just hold this up here if you want to pause it and read it. And then it also comes with a pamphlet here. So Crazy Cat Crates, handmade cat toys and treats for our furry friends. Look at that cute baby. I can't believe my cat's disappeared. So relax and unwind, kitty. Did you know cats sleep on average 16 hours a day? This month's theme is all about relaxing, unwinding, and sleeping for your kitty. So set the mood, turn down the lights, and watch your crazy cats enjoy their new toys until the late hours of the night. That's true, my cats sleep all day and then at night they are hyper. So in here it'll talk about all the items inside, and then it also says meet our makers. So it talks about the makers of the product. So I love learning more about where my items come from. And it's also an important update on here. In an effort to bring high quality and unique cat toys to our customers, we are prioritizing providing handmade items from small business independent makers in our boxes. So then it talks more about that. Yeah, this is super cute. So let's get started. The first thing looks like some treats. I said the word, the cats should come back. It's crazy, they're all over this box, and once I start opening it, or like turning the lights and stuff, they ran away. I don't think they like the setup in here. But this is by Red Barn Naturals, Protein Puffs, premium cat treats, high protein treat. They're packed with 75% protein, it's a lean treat with low fat, has chicken flavor, and there's over 275 treats in here, and they're less than 1 calorie per treat. My cats are gonna love this. They love treats. They love to sit outside on my lanai, and sometimes it's really hard to get them in, so I have to bribe them with them. You guys want a treat? Want a treat, Fiona? Come here. Oh, Emmy! They're all in here now. Come here, babies. So they say this is an excellent source of balanced amino acids, high protein, tasty flavor, free from wheat, corn, and soy, grains, and gluten, also free of artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. So I see the cats in here. I'm trying to get them to come up. So I have Emmy here. Do you want a treat? Yeah, she's like the cutest calico in the world. Oh, Fiona, you're really cute too. Want a treat? Fiona doesn't want to come up, so I just put her tray on the ground, but Emmy is eating hers right here. Let me take a little video on my phone so I can show you guys. Do you want a little treat? Oh, we're not talking about that yet. Emmy is now stealing the next item in the bag, which is this little star here. So this is by Ellie Baba Design. And this is handmade in Poland, Ohio, and it says for pets only, remove tag before using. Oh, they're stealing everything from here. So this is super cute. So Emmy, come here. You guys are not cooperating by coming by the camera, but this is a little catnip toy, I'm assuming. So yeah, so we already talked about the toy, and then they have the moon and star teasers. So here's the moon. And here is the star, and Emmy is just loving this. So it's nighttime. Set the tone for your kitty to get some rest and relaxation with these moon and star cat toy teasers made by our maker Christina. These cute teasers are the perfect way to tantalize your crazy cat. Dangle it in the air or drag it on the floor by the rope, and your cat will be chasing it for hours. So I'm just going to include some clips from my phone since the cats aren't cooperating by coming close to me. So my cats clearly like the toys. I didn't take the tags off yet, but don't worry, I will do that right away. They are so cute right now. Oh my god, they're so happy. I don't know where Archer is. He's the one that wanted me to open this the most. But yeah, Emmy seems definitely more interested in the toy than the treat right now. She's loving it. And it looks like we have another toy here, and oh my god, it looks like it's a wine bottle. It says Pinot Meow cat wine. Let me get this out. This is so cute. And you guys know, cats and wine are like my two favorite things ever. This is adorable. It seems like something's in it. So this is by Premium Vintage for Pets Pet Wine Shop. It looks like it opens, so I think this lights up or does something. So this is the cat wine kicker toy. This unique catnip kicker toy is designed to attract 100% of cats through its use of organic catnip and predator-inducing noise to bring out the house lion in your cat. Utilizing a proprietary blend of organic catnip and valerian root, your cat will not be able to resist the temptation of this toy. It includes a cool noise-making machine that creates a purring sound that is insatiable to cats that brings out superior predatory instinct. The Pinot Meow toy, when grasped and kicked by your cat, mimics the portrayal of your cat drinking the bottle as they play. Capture your cat full throttle for an epic photo or video that is sure to go viral. So hopefully I can get this to work while I'm taking videos on my phone at the same time as recording this. But let's move on to the next item. We have another toy here, and I could say we still have two things left, but my cats are definitely satisfied right now. They're so cute. Hi, baby. So the Kong Critter Pillows, a versatile toy for play and cuddle time. It makes a crinkle sound, and the catnip entices play. Soft corduroy and feathers for snuggling. How cute is that? Let's get this open. Oh yeah, it does make some sound. So here is this toy. So the Kong Catnip Pillows, it says snuggle snuggle, your kitty will love snuggling with this catnip pillow. These crinkly pillows are perfect for teasing, cuddling, and snuggling. And we have one more thing in here. This is Cat Bernay Cat Wine, a liquid valerian for playful cats. And this is for cats only, not human consumption, I'm told. So directions for use: you pour the full bottle into a bowl to entice kitty playtime. So it's made with filtered water, organic valerian root extract, beet red color, sea salt, and sodium metabosulfite. And it says cat wine is not designed as a treat and is most suitable as a liquid valerian remedy to increase playfulness in cats. Ingestion of liquid valerian is not harmful to cats. Serve cold for maximum effect. Oh, Emmy's so cute right now. Are you so happy? They are some happy cats, aren't you? So it says wine for cats. Yes, it's ultimate catnip experience for your cats. Cat Bernay liquid catnip and valerian root is a faux vintage designed to stimulate your cat's love for catnip. Simply pour into a cup of your choice and serve to simulate a wine beverage for your cat. Cabernet is liquid catnip and valerian blend that is brewed by extracting the oils from the 100% organic catnip herb. It is mixed with a proprietary blend to attain a smell that causes effects in cats. You guys, this is so cute. My cats are just rubbing on all the toys. They're so happy. Are you so happy, Emmy? You happy, baby? Now you guys can see how messy my office area is, but yep, we've got some happy cats here. Not sure where Archer is, which is very odd, which makes me think he's up to no good. But my little girl calicos here are very happy. So I think this is a great box if you are looking for something for your cats. Everything is definitely making them happy. They put a lot of thought into it. I love that they support local businesses, small businesses, and really look into the treats and the health of cats and give you some tips as well, because it's good to keep our little furry family happy and healthy. They are definitely both right now, and I'm so grateful for that. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this all works out with the cute little cat clips. I'll try and get one of Archer as well. But yeah, thanks again for being here. The link and information is all down below. I hope you're all safe and healthy, you and your loved ones, even your furry family and friends. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.